Good morning students, welcome back to our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the 5th chapter, that is different kinds of materials. Students, in previous classes already we have studied that what are the chemical substances, and it is classified into three categories. One is acid, base and neutral substances. So today we are going to discuss about what is the acid. So students, acid is one chemical substances which we can find out by the sour taste. One substances which one gives us sour taste, that is called as acid. Okay students, so let us start that about that. Acid is actually derived from where, do you know? From Latin word acid. Students, observe here, acid is derived from the Latin word that is called as acid. Okay, so let us start that acidic substance and our acids. Acid is derived from the Latin word acid, which means sour. Acid means sour. Actually, all the acids are tasted like just like sour taste. So that's why that from the Latin word, it starts from the Latin word. What is that? Acid, and that means meaning what is that? That means sour. Okay, because all the acidic substances are generally give the taste as sour taste. So the chemical, what is the definition? The chemical substances which are sour in taste is called acid. That means what is the acid, students? The chemical substances which are sour in taste, sour taste, that is called as acid. And so many examples are given, students, and we have to see how the substances and what is the chemical names. So students, observe here name of the acid, and they are given that some substances. So first one I have given that acetic acid, ascorbic acid, citric acid, formic acid, lactic acid, hydrochloric acid, tannic acid. So many acids are there, but out of some few of acids names I have written, and they are given substance. Which substance of these acids are present, I have written. Students, there is sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid is where pH value is very high. Okay, so that means very low. That means we have to understand that the concentration more power. Okay, so we have to observe that so many weak acid is strong acid, sulfuric acid is the strong acid, and hydrochloric acid is the weak acid also, friends. Acetic acid, here also you observe ascorbic acid, citric acid, formic acid, lactic acid, tannic acid. These are all are the acids which are we are getting from our substances. Means we are eating substance for daily, whatever the substance we are eating, from that this acids are getting, and from chemical in the laboratory also some different chemical substances are there also, which one we have seen that. So observe, some first one is acetic acid. What do you mean by where we are getting acetic acid? Acetic acid is from the vinegar. What is the chemical formula? Do you have idea about that acetic acid? CH3COOH. This is also weak acid, friends. So CH3COOH. This is called as acetic acid. Acetic acid, or it is coming from the vinegar. Okay, friends. Vinegar you are using for that to soft or that boiling purposes, to that some non-veg or some purposes cooking process, we are using the vinegar. Okay, friends. So that is called as acetic acid, or the chemical formula is CH3COOH. Second one is, friends, ascorbic acid, where we are getting just from the fruits, citrus food like orange, like amla. From that also we are getting ascorbic acid, or it is called as also vitamin C. This is also vitamin C is also called as also ascorbic acid. Okay. And citric acid also, it is lemon, orange, some sort types of fruits what we are eating, that is also we are getting citric acid. Formic acid, what is that, friends? Friends, you have seen that whenever ant or bees will sting on your body or to skin, they will leave one special type of acid that's called as formic acid. The formic acid gives us just burning sensation on our skin. Okay, friends. So when one ant or the bees will sting to your skin, then after they will leave. It leaves some acids. That acids is generally called as what? formic acid. The formic acids gives us burning sensation, which we are feeling that pain. Okay, so that is called as a formic acid. And from where we are getting this formic acid? The formic acids we are getting ants sting, bee stings. Sting means it will bite. Just it will be pinch like that or be, like that, but it will leaves that. Why it is paining? Because of it leaves one acid type of things, chemical substances it is living in on our skin, and that is special. What is that? Formic acid. The formic acid is known as what is called as ants sting or bee stings. Lactic acid. So almost all you know that, students. Lactic acid means we are getting from the curd. From the curd it is we are getting from that what lactic acid. Whenever that milk will convert to that curdling process with that bacteria, so that we are getting lactic acid. Or sour milk. If the milk will become also taste, what is that sour taste, then it is also gives us what a lactic acid. Hydrochloric acid. Students, whenever digestive system we have studied that in previous chapter, in the stomach it is forming that what hydrochloric acid for the digestion. It is mixed with the food and it gets the digestion. So it is coming from it is also present in our stomach, that is as a digestive juice. Okay. Next, tannic acid. So tannic acid is one of the special type of acid which are present, what we are getting from the tea. From the tea if you take that, gastrics are forming due to it contains that what tannic acid. Okay, students. So let us know this about that. What is that, students? Acid and its some chemical substances and its examples. Okay, students. So we will discuss in the next about that what is the base and what are the neutral substances in the next video. Okay, students. Thank you all of you. You have to write this all the definitions and you should collect that other chemical substances or other chemical names and its formula. You should collect this also formula and write with against that chemical substances. Okay, students. So I hope you have understood about this all the things and you write in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.